Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Pirai Academy. In the series of Zoho interview question, today we are going to see about an interesting question called equilibrium point. So, given an array of integers the task is to find the first equilibrium point in that array. The equilibrium point in an array is an index, zero-based indices, okay, such that the sum of all elements before that index is same as the sum of all elements after it. So written -1 if no such point exists. Fine. So this is what the equilibrium point definition, and we want to find the equilibrium point in that given array. Fine. So see this example. If it is 1, 2, 0, 3, then I can take this index 2 such that the before element sum will be 3 and the after element sum will be 3. So 3 is equal to 3. So such that it will be the equilibrium point. If this is the case 1, 1, 1, 1, here I cannot take any equilibrium point. So the answer will be -1, right? Okay. Now if the array is like this, then here I can say the index 3. The index 3 is what? 0, 1, 2 and 3. So this 2 is the equilibrium point because the 2's front value will be -1 and 2's right side value will be -1. Okay, fine. Now how to do this? So the simple brute force approach is that just iterate over each and every elements, so that at every element you want to check what is the left side sum and the right side sum. For example, I will be iterating here. First of all, I am iterating here. Now it is 1. So iterate over the left part of this 1. So that is nothing. So it will be 0. Okay, now iterate here. So initially I will be iterating from this 2. So from this 2. So 2 and this 0 plus 0. Then come to this 3. So plus 3, which is equal to 5. Whether 5 and 0 are same? No. Now at this point, just go and traverse to the next point. Now just iterate before this 2. So it will be only 1, right? So 1. Now just iterate after this 2. So it will be 0 and 3. So 0 plus 3, which is equal to 3. So whether 3 and 1 are same? No. So just go and iterate over. So I will be now here. Now from this 0, what are the front value or left side value? So just iterate over and take this 1 and 2 and take the sum, which is equal to 3, and go to the right side value, which is it is only 1. So it will be 3. Okay, only one value is present, right? So 3 is equal to 3. So we will be returning the index 2. So this is the brute force approach. Okay, tell me what is the time and space complexity. So time complexity will be O of n square because I am iterating for each and every element, other elements in that array. So for n elements, I want to iterate again for n times. So it will be n into n, which is equal to n square. And what is the space complexity? It will be O of 1. So this is the time and space complexity analysis for this brute force approach. Whether we can optimize it. Okay, let us see how to optimize it. Fine. So whether it is necessary to iterate over each and every element in this array? No, possibly, right? Because we are just iterating over that array. So before that, if we have a sum of that array, then it will be the first right side sum, right? Can you understand this? Let me take this array again. I will be telling you the algorithm so that it will be more clear. So just see here, I will be taking the sum. What is the sum? So I am just iterating over this array and taking the sum of each and every element. So it will be 6. So sum will be 6. Okay, fine. Now while iterating here, okay, what will be my left side and right side sum? Initially my left will be 0 and right will be this sum. So it will be 6. Fine. Now listen this carefully. When I am at this sum index or some point, I will be taking that value, this value, it is 1, right? I will be neglecting it from this right side sum. Right side sum will becomes what? 5. Can you understand this? Now check whether this left side and this right side sum is same. No, it is not same. Then what should I do? Just to go and do further step. So what is the next step I have to do? This 1 should be added in my left side sum when I am moving to the next point, right? So just add this 1 here. So it will be become what? 1. Can you understand this? Now go and iterate over. Now again, this 2 will be removed from this right side sum. Can you understand this? Okay, so it will be 3. Now just check whether this 1 and this 3 are same. No, it is not same, right? So at this point, what should we do? Here it is 2, right? So just add 2 here. So it will be 3. Okay. Now go and iterate over. Okay. Now it is 0. Now again, what should I do? I should minus this 0 from this right side sum. So it will be again 3. Now check whether this 3 and 3 are same. Yes, it is same. Yes, it is same. So we want to return this 2. That's it. Can you understand this? Here we are taking the sum. Okay. And in the first step, we want to assign the left sum value as 0 and right sum value as the sum of that entire array. Now I want to just traverse from each and every point, and for that each and every point, first I want to subtract the current element's value from the right. Okay, and then I want to just check whether the condition is satisfied. What is the condition? Whether the left sum is equal to the right sum. If it is so, I will return it. Or else that current element will be my left sum. Okay, so I will be adding it in my left sum, and this process will be continuing. Hope you will be understanding this, right? Now, what is the time complexity? It will be O of n. And what is the space complexity? It will be O of 1. So this is the further optimized solution, right? Okay, let us see the code. So always prefer Java for this Zoho interviews. So see here, int right sum is equal to 0, and I am iterating over the array and taking the right sum as my whole sum. Can you understand this? The sum of that array will be first of all my right sum, right? Now int left sum is equal to 0 initially. Now for just I am iterating over that array, and right sum minus is equal to array of I, which means I am first subtracting the current sum from my right sum, right? Now if my right sum is equal to my left sum, then what should I do? I should return I, the current in this, because that point is my equilibrium point. Okay, if this condition is not satisfied, then it will be not returned and come to this line, and this line will be represented like, if the current point is not my equilibrium point, then that current value will be added into my left sum. So it will be added into my left sum, and then at last just return -1. That's it. So let me submit it. Yes, it is submitted successfully. To know about these kinds of algorithms, just go and watch my YouTube channel, where I have posted plenty of problems with different kinds of approaches, so that it will be more useful for your problem solving skills. Fine. If you really like this video and also subscribe to my channel, and just watch this entire playlist, so you will be knowing the entire coding process in the Zoho interviews. Thank you.